Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will do a tutorial on how to reset Windows 11. This tutorial will work if your Windows starting to slow down, so your Windows can start fresh. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. Let's start the tutorial. The first thing to do is click Start and then select Settings. After being in the Settings menu, select System and select Recovery. Then there is option to reset this PC. Click Reset this PC. Here we can choose all our files will be saved or will be deleted. Select Keep My Files so that all files will be saved, and vice versa, remove everything if you want to delete everything. If you find an option like this, select Local Reinstall. This works so that the installation process can run faster. Click Reset to start the process of resetting Windows 11 back to factory settings. The reset process is running. Wait until the process is complete, and this video will be speed up. And that is how to reset Windows 11 back to factory settings. If you have questions and problems in following this tutorial, please ask me in the comment box below. I hope this video is useful, and I'll see you in the next video.